Hey everyone, if you're looking for the best snowboarding bag, then this video is for you. I bought and tested out two different snowboarding bags. The Low Roller King snowboarding bag and then the Tone Sport snowboarding bag. And I'm going to be reviewing both of them. Keep in mind that this video isn't sponsored by any of these snowboarding bags. It's all based purely in my opinion, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first bag that we have here is this one from Dakine. Okay, Dakine, I'm not sure how to say it. But with this bag in particular, you've got the inside. It also comes with, I believe, a snowboarding boot bag as well. So essentially how I pack this bag is we have a miniature pocket up top. This is where I put like my kind of like screws and screwdrivers. So this is where I put that sort of stuff. And then the inside is where you would put your helmet and your boots. So if we actually test this bag out, here you put my snowboard. And then if I grab boots, I mean the boots can just go over here and here. Obviously, this isn't the best way to actually pack this bag. And then lastly, we have our helmet here. And if we close this up, this is what it essentially turns out to, okay? So usually when I travel, I've traveled with this well more than 7 times, I'd say. But usually when we travel with this, we pack it with clothes, just so it kind of stays more compact. Be careful of the airline that you actually do that with though, because sometimes when you actually check this in, they ask if you've added anything to it, and you're not supposed to. It's only supposed to be sports equipment supposedly. But with that though, this is what the bag looks like when packed. And things I like about it is number one, it rolls. So if you do plan on traveling, definitely get one that rolls. And then the second thing I like about this bag is this portion here, okay? So this portion here actually straps onto another handle. So another handle meaning like a check-in or carry-on, and this is super convenient so that you could actually grab onto this handle, and you can grab onto this handle, and you could also grab onto your carry-on or check-in at the same time. So I've done this plenty of times before, like had a check-in bag and also had the snowboarding bag, and it's super convenient to just, if you can imagine like a handle goes here, it's super convenient to actually just grab onto that bag. But let me actually show you with an actual carry-on though. So for example, if I have a carry-on, okay, if I have a carry-on, the strap itself would actually loop around the carry-on, and then you would strap it down so that it stays like that, okay? So right now there's nothing in my carry-on, so I'm afraid it might tip over, but this is what it looks like, and then you just hold it and basically drag around the airport. Now other things I really like about this bag is that of course it has wheels. And then in addition to that, if we actually take a look at the back side, there are no straps on this bag, okay? So something to keep in mind is that you can't put this around your back and carry it on your back. There are no straps to this bag. But essentially that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and move on to the next snowboarding bag. So the next snowboarding bag is this one that we have from Tone Sport. So instantly with Tone Sport, there are no wheels that I can mention or see. And then with it, you have the inside bag. Actually open it up. This is where you would actually strap in your snowboard. So it does have like a strap in for your snowboard, so it doesn't slide around. But let's actually go ahead and use this bag. And then if we want to go ahead and place our boots and then a helmet. Normally helmets, I would actually carry this on my personal carry-on. So we'll see if the helmet still fits anyways, because I know some people actually like to pack their helmet within the bag as well. So this is what the bag looks like once it's packed up. And we have a front pocket as well, so you can put like miscellaneous screws or screwdrivers. This one here is more so about handling, okay? So what I mean by handling is like you have a strap here with a Velcro finish, which allows it to actually dual strap together. So you can carry the bag like that. In addition to that, you could also put this bag on your back, okay? So this could actually strap onto your back as well. So you can carry it on your shoulder just like this. And you could also use these straps as backpack straps as well. So I'd say, I mean, you can obviously see the main difference is that this one has straps and no wheels versus the other one which has straps and has wheels. Or it has no straps and has wheels. But honestly depends, you know, if you don't plan on doing a lot of airport travel, this would honestly do well. I mean, let's go over which one I think is best, okay? So the Tone Sport would probably be best for people in which you live locally to a snowboard resort, okay? So let's say you live in Salt Lake or Utah. You don't really need your bags to wheel and you can just carry it around. It's actually a lot easier to just carry it on and lift it off the ground. That's where I'd say the Tone Sport bag would probably be a bit more useful for. And if you do go on overflights, then yes, you can still check this in, but you still have to carry it. But if you plan on doing a lot of travel, let's say walking through airports, long periods of time in which you're going to be holding this bag for, I'd say the Dakine is a better snowboarding bag, okay? So this one has wheels, and I can't tell you how many times, like this strap right here strapped onto my check-in or carry-on has been extremely useful, okay? So if you're doing a lot of traveling and you plan on carrying your snowboard bag around, definitely get one with wheels. But if you live locally to a mountain and you're just carrying your snowboarding bag from the car and then from the car to your house, and you're not doing a lot of time, if you're not spending a lot of time carrying your snowboard gear, then you can honestly go with the Tone Sport bag. It's not a bad bag, I really must admit, even though it's a brand which a lot of people probably haven't heard of it before. But that right there, guys, if you have any questions, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.